What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I know you guys haven't seen one of these videos in a long time, man. I haven't been at the regular public auction in so long, man. We finally got rid of pretty much all our bikes. The giveaway is sold out, man. So if you got a wallet for our 2021 or our CVO, our giveaway will be going live in a couple days, man. So stay tuned. If you guys are wondering what your number is, man, head over to my community post right now on YouTube, and the list is posted there. Please find your name. You don't got to email me. All you got to do is look through the pages. All your names are there, man. In the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are at one of the cheapest auctions in town, and they got a pretty decent amount of good options up here, man. So let's check it out. If you guys ordered a camo hat for that red Road King a couple giveaways ago, man, them hats is still stuck at the port. Yes, the orange camo and the olive camo still stuck at the port of freaking Long Beach. Like, they can't get entry for some reason. They've been up there for like 2 months now. So if you guys see the hat on my head, you guys are going to see that in your mailbox if you ordered a camo hat. And then we got another color wave. It's like blue, red, and white. You guys will see that in your mailbox. Either one you guys will see, man, but we'll get it together here, man. So let's get into it though. Alrighty, man. First up, we got a 2019 Chrysler 300. Only 8,000 miles on this bad boy here. Now this is a pretty clean ride if you ask me. 2019 with only 8,000 miles, man. You haven't even hit 10,000 yet. We take a look at the inside. It does have some really nice leather interior. It has the S on it. I don't know if it's the 300S, like the fast version or not, but if we take a look at the leather and everything in here, it's pretty much intact and to go. Looks amazing. What do you guys think about it? What's up, man? We can check it out here. Look like they got it from Desert 215, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, all of the above. It is the 300S. So we'll see how much this thing goes for tonight, man. Got a little tequila kickage there, a little tequila scrape, nothing too major about it, but I don't know, it's pretty cool. What you guys think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got an 03 Chevy Venture, 206,000 miles. Just a little gas saver, a little point A to point B. Nothing too major. We take a look at the inside. I mean, it is pretty fair. Nice interior for what it is. It doesn't have no rows, only got one seat back there, but I guess you can use it for like towing stuff or something quick, if you will. A little pocket bike or something like that, something small. I don't know, no big deal. Just a cool point A to point B car, 200,000 miles, man. What do you guys think about the Chevy Venture? Let your boy know in the comments below. Yeah, we're not really interested in the 06 Chevy Cobalt, but it does have 113,000 miles. You're missing a hubcap in the back. Paint is faded up front. 113,000 miles. I sold mines like this for about maybe 1,500. So it's only so much you're going to be able to make on this car. However, mine did have damn near 100 extra thousand miles on it. So I mean, for what it is a pretty cool car. Interior is pretty nice. If you really want to get it clean, get the inside shampoo, get some nice hubcaps on this thing. But then again, you got to worry about the paint because the whole car is going to be needing to get painted again. So I would take it to Mako or something. Then again, if you look at this wheel back here, it kind of look like that wheel is slanted. So that axle back there may be whooped, man. So just keep your eye on that if you're bidding on something like this. We got a 2010 Nissan Altima, 123,000 miles. You're going to need some side mirrors, a back window. You got some dents and stuff on the hood. We'll get there if we get that far. Like I say, you're missing the windows here. 123,000 miles. Interior, I mean, typical Altima interior. Nothing too crazy about it, but the back just looks super whipped. We don't have a window in the back, and this bumper is held down by a string. So this is definitely going to be a no-go for me. Should be a no-go for you, but I'm sure if you get it cheap enough, well, it is a rebuild title. I'm sure this thing is going to go really, really cheap, man. What y'all think, though? We got this 08 Mazda Cx7, 179,000 miles. Does run and drive. The paint is definitely faded. Headlights is faded as well. Blue, pretty much blue faded-ish paint. I'm thinking it's gonna be beige on the inside. I was close. It's like a beige-ish gray, but leather interior, so pretty decent there. Smells like cigarettes and stuff. So whoever had the car was big smoking in this thing. Baby blue on the color. I mean, for the most part, it is pretty cool, man. It is pretty cool. Couple dents here and there, but all in all, no big deal, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, big dog. We got a 2011 Dodge Charger here. Looks like 179,000 miles. This thing is whooped. Wow. Oh man, I ain't even get that far. I ain't even get that far. Yeah, that thing is whooped, y'all. The wheels is cool though. The wheels is cool, man, but this thing is seriously damaged. Hey, look at the roof. Look at my roof. Look at my roof, man. I gotta stay here. You don't. If I get in a problem with them, I gotta live here. You don't. Bet y'all don't know what movie that's from. This thing took a T-bone. Yeah, that's tough. I don't even want to be in no situation like that, man. We gonna keep it moving, dog. We got a 2014 Chrysler 200 here, 96,000 miles. Pretty fair. Pretty fair. No body damage from what I see so far. Like I said, 96,000 miles. If we take a look at the inside, typical Chrysler. We got the freaking hole in the floor right there. Whoever was in this thing was either tall or leaning like a cholo. But you're gonna need some new hubcaps on this thing as well. If you need a car from point A to point B, this may be the one for you. But it's hot as heck out here, man. I don't know what y'all think about the Chrysler 200. We got a 2010 Hyundai Elantra here, 132,000 miles on it. Pretty decent, little fair, little ride. We could take a look at the inside. The mileage is pretty cool. Most of the time, these cars are pretty decent. You can check it out, though. Pretty decent interior. Everything's fair there. I mean, pretty decent inside. There's nothing too crazy about it. Like I said, pretty decent car. This one may be a little sleeper, too. So if we can get something like this for cheap, I wouldn't mind getting that. This would be a nice car to get at an auction. Another Chrysler 200, 130,000 miles, gray in color. Actually, this one doesn't need no hubcaps. The other one is lower in mileage, but I don't know. This one got the tint and everything. This one looked like it's actually taken more care of, to be honest with you. Take a look at the inside. Interior is way better than the one with lower miles. So it tells me that the one with lower miles is like it either been in the shop for a long time or something. This one is definitely more taken care of than that other one. Pretty fair all around. Got a couple gaps in the fender lining right there. No big deal. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. We got a 2013 Mazda 2, 61,000 miles on this thing. The mileage is crazy. Now the tires are super bald, so whoever had this car, probably a female, never changed the tires. I don't know what happened here. They need to get that fender fixed or whatever, but all in all, no big deal. Interior is filthy nasty. Like, thing is gonna need shampoo, all the above. I think I'm kind of good on this one. I mean, the interior is not that bad. It could be worked with, but it's just like, man, is it really worth it for a Mazda 2? I don't know. What y'all think, though, man? 2009 Toyota Camry, 162,000 miles. Man, y'all know the Toyotas, for the most part, is pretty reliable. The paint on here is, however, faded. Lights is, like, looking yellowish. Tires is a little worn out, if you see there. You can take a quick look at the inside. Inside is fairly decent. Fairly decent for what it is. It only has 162,000 miles for a Toyota Camry. That's pretty much nothing. It is terribly hot in the inside. So, man, as soon as you get this thing, you're going to need, like, super dark tint. Otherwise, you're going to bake in there. And I don't think you want to be baking in a Toyota. I feel like heating this car is a lot more hot than heating, like, say, the 300 over there. But I don't know what y'all think, though, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. Another Elantra here, 2007 Hyundai Elantra, 148,000 miles. Sunroof on that bad boy. Headlights is need to be restored. Body is in pretty fair shape. If we take a look at the inside, man, this inside is pretty immaculate, man. You guys see under the cover, it's just super clean. Now, something like this will definitely be a go-to. You guys can just look at the seats and see. Whoever had this car took really good care of it from the day they had it. They still got the plastic on the floor. So at 148,000 miles, this may be a pretty decent buy too. Now the paint is a little bit faded. All in all, no big deal. I think this thing will be worth it to maybe get a like little Mako paint job or something. I mean, judging it runs good, we'll see when it comes through, man. But what y'all think in the comments below, let me know. I definitely don't want the Ford Explorer. I'm good there. Definitely don't want the Ford Expedition. Good there. I definitely don't want the 2005 Beetle with the eyelid on low. Good there on the Taurus. And the Honda Civic, I don't want no parts. Let's see what else they got here. Now, most of the time, these cars on this side don't run, but this one runs and drives. This one runs and drives. This one runs and drives. No start on that. No start. I'm guessing the Mustang is a no start. Else it would have been on the other side. We got a whole Wagoneer, Jeep Wagoneer. I haven't seen one of them in a while. This thing is, these things used to look nice when they was like brand new. 1983 Jeep Wagoneer. Yeah. The two-tone on that with like the freaking surfboard look on the side used to look so dope. But none of these start, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. The giveaway is sold out, man. So stay tuned for when we go live to pick that winner. Meanwhile, we will be checking out the auction tonight, seeing what some of these rides go for, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.